Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Made By in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and tap to start a new project. Once your project is open, navigate to the bottom menu and select the Text tool. From there, choose the Add Text option to bring up the text input field. This is where you will type your desired credit, such as made by your name or created by your brand. Now that you have the text input field open, type Made By followed by your name or brand. Next, explore the various customization options available. You can easily change the font style to match your video's aesthetic, adjust the size to make it prominent or subtle, and select a color that stands out against your background. After customizing, drag the text box to position it perfectly on your video frame, typically in a corner. To make your Made By credit more dynamic, let's add some animation. Tap on the text layer and then select the animation option. You'll find a wide range of in and out animations to choose from, such as a fade-in or a slide-up effect. Experiment with different styles to find one that suits your video. Remember to adjust the duration of the animation, typically between 1 and 3 seconds, to ensure it appears smoothly and at the right moment. Before exporting, take a moment to preview your entire video to ensure the Made By credit appears exactly as you intended. Check its timing, position, and animation one last time. If any adjustments are needed, simply tap on the text layer and modify it. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, tap the Export button, usually located in the top right corner, to save your finished video to your device. Congratulations! You've added your professional touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.